Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week.
I just layered my cheese right here at the edge of the corner. This is my pepper jack cheese. The rest of these were done with white cheddar. And this is my filling. This is my chicken with red and green bell peppers, some onions, as well as some cream cheese, some sunshine seasoning, some Himalayan salt, black pepper, garlic, and smoked paprika. So I just kind of pretty much flatten it on the cheese. And I'm going to pick up the edge here. See? Like I'm rolling, like I'm getting ready to roll, like an envelope. So, and I just hold this back with my hand as I press this to make sure it's secure. So now I want to make sure that this is actually sticking, you know, based with the cream cheese I have here. The corn tortilla is like sticking to it as I push this back, and I'm holding a tight grip on it as I gently begin to roll. See? And that side that's open on the bottom is what I'm going to place flat down in the oil. This side. And now I'm going to work on my beef taquitos.
Here's our vitamin content.
Okay, we're putting our Kobe Monterey Jack cheese down for our ground beef filling. Okay. Again, so I tried to flatten it, make sure that it fits well. And then I begin to roll, again holding this firmly in, flattening with my fingers gently, and I begin to roll, tighten, roll again, tighten, and roll again, tighten. Okay, now that it's tightly wrapped, I place the bottom part down. I have another one in here, so I'm gonna flip this over while that fries up.
And here are a list of ingredients.
Bon appetit. Get a little closer.
Very good.
Thanks. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets myself and Kevin know that you're enjoying the content that I'm putting out. Because Kevin's working hard behind the cameras.
Thank
you know? And so we just want to make sure that we're putting out things to you that you enjoy, and we want to continue to do so for you. So, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and share this channel with your family and friends. They will appreciate it. So I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah.